At times you may get a small pebble inside the track. This will make an annoying clicking sound. It doesn't really hurt the Freedom Trax at all, but you probably want to get the rock out because it is kind of annoying. It can also possibly make the track skip on the gears a little bit. Once again, that won't hurt anything, but it is kind of annoying. So this is going to be how to remove the track and then remove any rocks if there's any in there. You may have a track that has all screws like this one, or you may have a track that has rivets and then just one screw. On the ones with all screws, it doesn't really matter which one you take out, and of course with the one with only one screw, you've got to take the one out that has a screw. So we just need to go ahead and back this out. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and take this screw all the way out now. You can use a punch. I am just basically using the old way, and I'm going to just use a screwdriver, and I'm going to take a hammer and pound that down and pound this out. Slide the track off. You're going to want to check the track for rocks. Usually the places where they get stuck are like right in here where they make problems on clicking. So if you see anything in here, just go ahead and pop it out with a screwdriver. I've been in the snow recently, so I haven't been anywhere where I'd pick up any rocks, so there's no rocks in this track at all. And putting this back on, make sure you do have the sprockets right on the axles. There should be little tabs that go on the outside of the sprocket to keep it from jumping track on you. Your front sprocket moves without a problem, so you slide it on the front. And then we're going to hook it right in here. Now what I do, I found it the easiest for me, is to take the screwdriver and run the screwdrivers in the holes first, because you've got the handle on the screwdriver, which makes it easier. Once you've got that in, you can come back up the other way with the axle. And make sure to get this notch in the right spot for where the screw is going to go in. And then you can go ahead and pull the screwdriver out as you're bringing the axle up. If you need to, you can give it a little persuasion here. Once that's flat, then you can go ahead and put the screw back in. When you tighten this down, just tighten it to the point where it's snug. You can strip it pretty easy if you tighten too